Hello guys, I'm doing another video today, and I couldn't really find cheap players right now for like 60k or less. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to my team, get the stuff that I've been saving up, and then I'll just open the other one later on. So we'll start with this beginner pack, which doesn't really contain anything, but you still get stuff from it. And then we'll do these 10 packs, which they just have gold trophies.
I'm hiding in a corner and we'll look up the rest.
I mean, yeah, that wasn't that good of gold trophy opening. So we'll just add it right there. And then we're gonna reveal all. Oh, we just got Sam Whiteside. Okay, that's a pretty good pull. It's not that bad. And then we're gonna go to this one. We didn't get anything. But I mostly took like all my good players. Okay. Okay, opening. Oh, come on. Okay, that's kind of good, but not that good. Okay, we'll reveal all. No. Okay, we're not really pulling anything good. Could we clutch it out and get something good? We didn't really get anything that good. We mostly got series 2, but we got an out or forward. Okay, we'll pull. Sorry, that was my friend. He's just trying to be annoying. Okay. Yeah, they're just trying to be annoying in the background. So.
Ryan, stop! You could try.
Guys, please be quiet. Okay, we put Bryce Cotton, so we'll put Hassan Whiteside.
We're playing hide and go seek.
Let's try to get something good.
I'm out of the map.
Okay.
I swear if that grenade kills me.
That's not that good. Emmanuel Ginobili? Yeah, it's not that good, but yeah.
No, you won't let me catch me.
Okay, come on. Let's clutch it out. I've spent like mostly all my money towards this, so let's try to get something good.
Did you not? Oh my god.
Put Pau Gasol. Yeah, let's do it. Read all. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's pretty decent. Okay. I'm trying to do a glitch. They're just being annoying in the background. Sorry about that. But I'm doing a glitch so I could get those players. I don't get all of them. I just get that player just pulled back.
Good, buddy.
So I've spent over like 2 million showing you guys these packs, and I haven't really gotten anything good. So we'll see like later on if I'll do another one, because I probably won't. I'll probably be dead killing myself. It's so sad why some guy wants to kill himself just because he can't get some good stuff.
Where do you go, right here?
Okay, let's go to sets.
No, you have to like run a little bit.
Just put that in. And then let's put that in.
Super fast.
Okay.
Nice music.
Let's see what is he still my big man? Okay, the glitch worked. He stole my big man lineup. So what we have to do now, we're just gonna have to take away that person. We're just gonna quick sell him. Actually, we'll just sell him for 1K because we're dumb like that. 21.
Dude, I can't do it.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on a reasonable price actually. No, but it doesn't matter. Let's just put on a 5K. I know he's a lot more than that, than 5K. Okay, Gnobi.
How?
Let's buy an elite player right now.
Yeah, but their emails and their customer
Don't. It doesn't matter. Okay, I was just talking to my friend about something.
How do you do it?
Okay, we got that so we can exchange. You could just go to my account. I know that's all you could do. That's the wrong one.
Yeah, I had something on my account.
Yeah, that's our other account. Yeah.
Yeah, him.
Did you lose him?
Yeah. Okay, so we need 8 gold trophies.
Yeah, you're gonna delete your game if you do something.
No, you don't. You don't.
It says it does.
Yeah, I'm positive.
I got him back.
Yeah, dude, you're probably gonna lose your game.
He never does. I do that all the time on my tablet. I'm not using the tablet.
Oh, Jacob, just let him know. Skip the comments.
I'm not going to. Okay, now let's look up, I'll just buy it. But I could get it for cheaper, but I'm just gonna buy it for entertainment purposes. And then, let's go. Okay, I think we have enough. Oh, dang it, no. Okay, we have to buy a full one. Yeah, we have to buy a full one. Wait, no.
You want to do another map? Actually, one for myself.
2. 4. Come on, I really need a good pull. I mean, if I get Klay Thompson or Jimmy Buckets, I'm completely satisfied. But probably not gonna happen. Even at just a 3, I'll be happy if I got that. But these chances with me, I'm not really getting good pulls. Okay, let's see. Chris Paul. What? That is a lag because I never had Chris Paul. Yeah, I never had him. Okay, so it must be from the video that I created earlier. I was spending a bunch of money on like experiments and stuff. Yeah, I had him, but Chris Paul never had. Yeah, so I think he came back. But you see how it keeps glitching like that? Okay, my auction was sold. Let's see which one it was. Oh, Aldridge, okay. He's about to sell, and then I'll do another one. So I'm gonna pause it for now, and when he sells, I'll do another one. You guys will be there, okay?